Hi, GC News. Beba Obibia Akwaba. So we are subscribe to the channel now. Best say over subscribe. What the other say over click the subscribe button. Now what barely notification. We have a new video piano. I be upload once everything. After we are now like video, give us a thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up. Nothing. Share my offer for so now. We know now one trade. So I say had the latest and hot news of Kwaku Annan midday promo. Afriyie and some about the Gyae Nsemfuu airport into
Papa na adwuma na
question.
Oh, please. Oh, I have joined. Oh, Jai.
Maka.
Waka dia.
Where's Kojo who big time? What you answer to?
Where National TV?
What you mean?
National TV. Waka dia.
What's the man come up? My boss.
There were 15 of them. 15.
Yes, I have a list here.
15.
I have a list here.
What's the topic out there to happen to see enter? Adaveti. Honorable Adongo Akasafa. Okono so. One was home ever. But the Edikan. And no program your cause no. Now I thought to say Ashanti region here the stronghold of Jubilee Park. Captain. So now you have Jubilee Park in Chehwa.
Oh wow.
And so still, it was not packed. We were told they said 40,000 people were coming there. That's a social video now. Who said yes. Number two. What we say party no. Dr. Bawumia on shada any muye. And now what say was NPP MPP there is no law in NPP constitution as it say
you are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news
Converse in the tree,
Chairman, please.
Converse if you don't know
Bawumia.
Omaruade.
No, Kachi.
Omaruade.
Yes, bra.
I don't know, yes, sir. Once I started here, I decided not to.
Yeah, because you want your time.
Me person wa kasa na manfotie no. Eti na be edi no. Eti menye sa. We no. Wa wote yi de aya wa se de guys how you guy. Menye sa de no.
And this is analyze of
Eti there is no law in NPP's constitution. Say oyi obi osauta esisofo obi free enough. There is no law. Hwe Captain Saubekaya, the same as someone Bawumia can in Rano. I said the same thing in Kumasi. Every koko ye a drew so walk. Ye remember Mokrum hapoto. Sawakai. I make Dankwa Buzia Dombo tradition.
15 of them.
Say all the time. Ye be obi from.
Don't know anything about that.
Oh, please, I am talking.
Chairman.
I am talking.
Chairman, please.
Okay, can you
Why you being this disrespectful to our viewers? No? Eh?
Chairman, what them patrol?
What you been here? I'm investing my gas and some food now, would you know?
I said they were too heavy.
Chairman.
So, Eti, make the same thing. Say anytime you be free Dankwa line. Dombo nipa and ye deno ba rani mechi. Ye free Buzia line. Dombo nipa and ye deno ba. Eti dombo nfoni de. Fourth Republic omunso father. Emre bia no omu ye constant. Eish. Ye so mi okroma. Atem didie. And the same thing about me akoken. Eti does it call for that kind of insulting amode insult me no? No kre, what can no kre a man for ejeyi. Like you see Sabia omuchinchimu ye nyina no. Me de well, although obo na ka omasem. Asante for Anasa Ashanti region should take note. Mo ankasa modie mu bae. Aye friend Gyae Akufo. Gyae Akufo bae ni hu say Ashanti region open up. Na Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe. Them persuaso. Captain, Crowfrom, say what man just out.
That's right.
Gyae Akufo started market. Gyae Akufo who say, look, Ashanti region, a gwedie indicate Ashanti region. Eti, what year say, Obeye Bibi abo Ashanti region. I say, look, baby,
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
I don't start to go from market. And yantimanwie an NPP call opposition John Mahama bai waba besi kejetia asi tafo ne ada ayi ede amawon eka ye bai anase NPP bai no eya na makoka because that time ye bai no na make a hunches
you ba kwa ma
eti nanka ye hwese at least NPP government ebetima honor Gyae Akufo by completing that single mass market na aka wo honom nanka me hwese the MP for the area Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe ebeka say look me manfo ebebia wo motena edigwa enya sika de hwe omoma ene omabusua no esesa ban utimi ye mayen wanti manye we nyina
the only problem
oh please
chairman let him finish.
What is the meaning of this?
Let him finish.
Wanti manye sa di we nyina
I thought I hear something I say
oh na say magaje say Afriyie wo bre papa so dey tell wanti manye sa mi ma we nyina now we say ya the driver mamo wa Ashanti region ye co primaries eye Alanchemanten ade ma me free adwoso ne papa free patase Kumasi fi
ala na me se wonim ni din
medim ni din ba
wonim ni papa din
medim ni papa din
na po ma me friends
medim ni ma me din
okay go
Mari wa de te wonim ni ma me din you see ya dey no ba no amount for say what mo dey
30 seconds wonim running mate ni ma me din
na no mo ti ha no mo se na po ofri salary
David ne ma me free here
Liberia
ne ma me your friend say David obi anka sa obi eni wa wakasa na po ma me your friend say
by force
we should know
some di mu na de
we should know
ana woni una de
me papa your friend
ya me yi kura menka
so ne te no
yeso di una de
eti ne meka nyina ne say senka wotimi yes ade no kra that single you kra de ma you crow from for ne aka say ye MP wo ba ye ne ema ye nsa koya no watima ye asese ye nya baabi edigwa ye nti say de no ba se vice dia ade ye nyina ye tu edi nachi wantima anya sa de we edem pa na obeka kire me say this is one thing na po ayama santiman enti chesa santiman etu adi nachi.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Hey. Yes, Alan there. Or mobo. So, oni nuwajibi. Eti so bebe ye leader ye ho beche yen. Eti no yen gange against him. Ye the president eba santiman mu. Empenifo bi omudi mu anim agange against say ye mpe president na mum ye permit
driver's mate.
Hwe Dr. Bawumia me ati ase say wo kasa wo monfa wo ye bibia wo monfa edura president Akufo-Addo ayi no to why you no to nra wo sit Bawumia timi bo na adwene kire no ana manje the speech no
Kofo no ye bo mu dia na
what say
chairman
oh sia what say we excellent or born adwene kire no what the bibia hye ni sa ono na eye what tie asem na work ado ma dai oh please me pa cha onya botre baby and a hot 1 minute a hot room over
chairman cathedral shaba omiansa
cathedral kabama koye
ano se bibi odi bibi asede sa what je dana
ono well propaganda manager
that propaganda president gasa no ante momo president fijine
bia me de
cement na koye
ana block me second de bia me koye
o se bibia me de koye excellent
woye excellent ana me wa okay oh please nyabotre it's okay wo beba
chairman aye
wo yesa amanfo hwe beka se wo ye kurasi ni ba ma mo nkasa nkyerɛ mesrɛ nyabotre me say wo yesa me say wo yesa
fa to se mane nya
wo yesa nyabotre Nyabotre. Me na me free po biaje. Me bra me ya guys e o. Me ya guys e o. Nyabotre. Nyabotre. Eti sansem we nyina akoso. Me say say you can say captain president speech and run mo buffer mo anke be me de because what say bibia what the share ni sa wo ye excellent guy wo ba na abi wo kra na say bi wo bo na adwene kire no look president Akufo-Addo me tia say wono economics no onim tia say wa amfa ne na duma wono de eye law ye can say law adu akwakusua eno no abi wo mu a wotime etu akwakofa wo bia wono no ebe economics a wo tiase eno cross akan eno be bia dollar nam no wo se branche we no wo Bank of Ghana agenda duma ana me kotam no buy ebra sam ne yeka yo enye 20cc die no enye 20cc die no now wo kokofa no buy because kokofa no buy because na say ebe economics a wo tiase it won't never handle the economy of this country. What you had to say, President be there year now, and you look, sir, President now also one you who what the economy are not dollar, I get 3 cedis, 80 pesos. Amount for car no 4 cedis, in Tienfa 4 cedis. And what did you now? What taking over from Gyae for 1 cedi? The Tienfa what the 3 cedis are coming. So many you know. Wona wo se wo ye guru wo tiase nyimdia ni nyanse gina kita wo no wo buy no dey free 4 cedis ho no ene mesi captain enra mesi $100 wo tudu ho no ye kwa na omu ye say na ma frɛ no mesi say me check here no na ye 15.4 wasi o ye 16 me so boa ye 17 well 17 wasi okay adam say na me nsesa me do the next person no ye say mesi bra mesi say wasi 16 mesi oboa 17 okay fabra no assistant me 17. Look, how can we live in a country like this? What's say? Now they say me akola.
Akoye.
Me akola.
Yaba bakra.
What's say?
Your point home.
Mo sorry about no to be no. Ye nya akola say how. Captain. What permit my channel be on TV so say.
Oh, yeah. Baba.
Why would to me gold ni na?
Me German bet match o. Oh, David. Me ba. Me person me kire ni say me a guy. What you say? Wo mo Nsemfuu na no mo ka no. Look. $500. That's it. Say what you may say
$500.
Huh? Just inside ready.
I love this panel. Oh my word.
Just inside ready.
1,700.
Omo pamu ma ko wi abo me wi abo da so won ye no
to this can
na oh ni am say ni aka no so won ye no
makwase se bi
ni aka ni so won ye no
go $500 me bond bi a say
$100 and 1,700 Ghana cedis.
Yes, so won ye no
bond bi a say no botum
ye ka say Sir, I so shameful say ukoko jina honom na wo mama ayi. Look, the ready mate compared to Gyae Nana. Yeah, ready mate. Yeah, ready mate so obi abon say yes, baby ni. Gyae Nana was professional. Na oluku vice presidential. Prepared text. What kasaye on the toner will be a diakoma edge assembly. So the channel. So what 2 shots of grana, the mood, the tempo, the bibia demeanor, Emma wo just a wood assembly. What will you tell? Emma did you here? Hey, I say Hopeson TV so. Intia mungwa. Intia mungwa. So the
energy na charge.
Wo adore vice presidential candidate.
Onye po.
That he would. Messing kasi so man no prepare text. What he was going to say.
No, enter me catch us Otumfo bu baby na odi asem. Or say. Me nim say.
Asem wa kan say.
Ose kwase o kasa bumbum. Ye the woman esuma no. Ye fa so nsem nsuma no.
That's right. So how dey tell. Hwasemo a wakwakofa abre Akufo-Addo say.
Ana me hwe
Next time,
and some of the general.
But I don't trauma, so we're washing the bottom. I almost have Trump for papers, so somebody reminded me, say, Chief, I don't have more indicators. Share paper, that's also for so. No, some woman, so they are saying, oh, why not?
Share Caputin.
And I don't have a paper question is Vice Presidential Candidate or Kasa Party Member and the paper I also question is so on the okay.
Tati
Ali Mahama Yahubi da Kufo Danedi of course Sunyani Yahubi Professor Mills Yahubi
the Pono Apa idea
Tati
affecting I normal say bia you be the leader yes
it's true
Wakye
Ameyaw say form
Eti ya dance o dey Jimmy
why are the men
who nyansa na dey o dey Jimmy no ya dey bet transfer ama motra position a check
you waiting for because GC so and our head no so we can subscribe or ya necessary open subscribe now I like it now feel watch video no ama ofoforo so NPP na wahwe was over to actually what in Afriyie and some week now I will comment box in mobeti interview in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.